This exercise series is called rolling patterns. I'm gonna have Kyler lie down on her back for me. This is a fantastic exercise to dissociate upper and lower limb movements, but also left and right movements. We need the lower limb or the uninvolved limbs to stay motionless throughout the activity. And so we're gonna initially have Kyler come into this forward flexion pattern. Excellent. And then she's gonna return into the upper limb extension pattern. Great. We're gonna repeat with the opposite arm and come into the flexion. And she's going to return back with the extension pattern. So now we're going to keep the upper body motionless and we're going to move into the flexion patterns for the lower extremity. And we're going to start with the first leg and roll from her back to her belly. And then we're going to return in the extension pattern from her belly to her back. We're going to switch legs, come into flexion and roll over. And extension and come back. Our exercise specialist will dose you out for your sets and reps and which pattern is most appropriate for you. This is Rolling Patterns.